Hi everyone, Gary the Garden Novice here. 52-week harvest challenge, week 10, with grower Stella and Jenny from the plot. This week we're going to harvest some French dwarf beans. So here we go. This is the dwarf bean bed. Let's have a look and see what beans are on here. That was difficult to find. There they are down there, look there. Yeah, French dwarf beans. So I'm going to get these picked off and then see how many we get. Well, not a bad harvest. First harvest of the French dwarf beans. Got a good mushroom tray full there. So I'll get them taken home and wash and chop them and get them blanched and vacuum sealed for the freezer. So that's week 11 of the 52-week harvest challenge. If you want to have a go, just pick some fruit, vegetables or flowers every week for 52 weeks. Do a little video and post it on your channel with the hashtag 52-week challenge. Thanks very much. Bye for now.